Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, my tree's up. I'm a big Christmas person, so I had spent last weekend putting all my Christmas decor up. I thought it would be the perfect spot to do one of my videos because it's dark outside. Here in New Brunswick, it gets dark like, I don't know, 4:30. So with the time change and everything. So we are inside for this one. So today I wanted to go over my kitchen, everything I'd be taking on the Appalachian Trail for eating. We will start out first with this here. This is a Toaks, I don't know if I can get it out, a Toaks titanium spoon. And it's actually a spork because it's got the spoon / fork on there. And it's long handled so that when I'm eating out of my prepackaged meals that it reaches down in the meal without getting the food all over my hands. So it needed to be a long handled. And the weight on this would be 0.75 ounces for the spoon. So next up, this is my cook system. So I have in here, so this is just a Dyneema bag made by Hilltop Packs to hold everything together. It's nice and light. And then we have my 750 milliliter pot with the cover. I like this one because if I wanted to hang it over a fire or an open fire, I can. I've got this handle, but then I also have, I can just use it normally. So inside this is everything I need to cook my meals. So my stove is number one, which is the Pocketrocket by MSR. You would just fold these legs up, pull this out, and then my pot would sit on top of that. And this screws onto the fuel, which, if I keep on going here, we've got my lighter, which I'll use to light the stove. It's just a mini Bic. And then inside here is my canister of fuel. So my stove would just, I would take this cap off and then just twist this on. So that would be, that's my cook system. And then I also have just a little rag in here to keep my canister from rusting from the condensation on my can. Yeah, so it's very compact. So again, we've got this, and then I just put my fuel in there, push that down. I've got my lighter, and then I would just take this apart, not apart, I guess, put it back together, fold it all up, put it in there, the cover on it. And then throw it back in its bag. This bag isn't necessary, but I like it because it keeps everything together and keeps it from rattling in my bag. So there you have it. So in the mornings, I would typically have my coffee. I don't usually have a coffee in the evening. So in the mornings, I would just boil a pot of water and use some for my oatmeal and then use the rest of it for my coffee. And then if I was to eat something, so like say lunchtime or supper time, that I was going to cook a meal, I would cook it in the bags that they come in. So I just pour my water and then put it in the, well, just a second, right here. Yeah, so I'd have my prepackaged meal, boil my water in my pot, and then I would pour it in this and eat out of this. And then that's why I needed that long handled spoon, because these are fairly tall. So I won't ever be cooking in, I shouldn't say I won't ever cook in my pot, but I don't plan on cooking in my pot. Basically, it'll be just for boiling water and drinking my coffee out of. So there you have it. that's my cook system for the Appalachian Trail. I don't plan on making any changes with it. This is what I use here at home. It works well. The only other thing that I could do is maybe change my stove out from the MSR pocketrocket to the BRS. I do have that. It is a little bit lighter. It's smaller as well, but my pocketrocket seems to work better for me. So we'll see, but this is the planned cook set. So if you have any questions on my cook set or any comments, or if you want to tell me what you have for a cook set that you think might work better, then leave that in the comments below. And other than that, I thank you for watching. So my whole cook set is at 14.5 ounces. And then if I throw in the spork, we are at 15.25 ounces.